Belgium has taken a notable leap in strengthening its battlefield protection by moving ahead with plans to purchase between 200 and 300 units of the Polish-made Piorun man-portable air defense systems, MANPADS. This development, confirmed by a post on X from Poland's Ministry of Defense, highlights a growing security partnership between Belgium and Poland amid heightened European concerns about air defense readiness following Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine. The announcement came during a visit to Mesco's production plant, the manufacturer of the Piorun, where Belgian Defense Minister Theo Franken and Polish Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz formalized the agreement. The meeting emphasized the deepening strategic ties between both NATO allies as they prioritize fast-track military upgrades. Though the financial terms remain confidential, the preliminary agreement provides not only for live units but also for inert training missiles, maintenance and support infrastructure, and a comprehensive training program tailored for Belgian forces. With Belgium currently depending on the French-built Mistral 3 for short-range threats, the Piorun could act as an interim enhancement or a complementary asset in a more permanent upgrade of the nation's air defense setup. The Piorun, an extensively modernized derivative of Poland's earlier Grom system, which itself is based on the Soviet-era Igla, is designed for modern warfare conditions. Upgrades include a much more sensitive infrared seeker, enhanced countermeasure resistance, and a user-friendly control interface. The weapon system can lock onto threats from as close as 400 meters to as far as 6,500 meters, and it is capable of engaging airborne targets flying up to 4,000 meters high. A significant advantage is its proximity fuse tailored for the interception of drones, a major threat in current combat theaters. Each launcher weighs about 16.5 kilograms when ready to fire, making it highly mobile and suited for infantry operations or mounting on light tactical vehicles. Features such as an integrated day/night optic and mode select keyboard allow operation in low visibility or high electronic interference environments. Its warhead weighs just under 2 kilograms and delivers fragmentation damage designed to neutralize a range of aerial threats. Battle-tested in Ukraine since early 2022, the Piorun has gained credibility for shooting down helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, and UAVs. Reports indicate that Poland has delivered close to 1,000 of these systems to support Ukraine's defensive efforts. In terms of global benchmarks, the American FIM-92 Stinger remains the dominant MANPADS choice, used widely across NATO and allied countries. Although the Stinger offers longer engagement distances, up to 8,000 meters, and a slightly heavier warhead, the Piorun brings to the table newer electronics, better ergonomics, and a design more optimized for today's battlefield threats like low-flying drones and swarming tactics. The Piorun also has the edge in terms of cost-effectiveness and quicker production scalability, which could be critical for nations like Belgium that face pressure to modernize without delay. This move by Brussels can also be seen as a strategic alignment with broader European defense goals. Choosing a defense product from a fellow EU nation demonstrates a push for reduced reliance on American systems and a shift toward homegrown military-industrial capabilities. As global supply chains remain strained and U.S. manufacturing struggles with backlog, Europe is increasingly incentivizing intercontinental cooperation. The Mesco visit also touched on deeper collaboration beyond missile systems. Both Belgium and Poland are now operating the F-35A fighter and have engaged in shared pilot training programs in the U.S. These initiatives are aimed at improving NATO force integration and operational synergy, especially as the alliance continues reinforcing its eastern defensive posture. By moving forward with the Piorun acquisition, Belgium signals both its commitment to immediate defense readiness and its support for European strategic autonomy. The deal represents a blend of military pragmatism, industrial partnership, and forward-thinking modernization, tailored to the evolving nature of modern warfare and alliance politics.